We have several bobcat who visit us every few months. One is a large male and another smaller female. The summer of 2018 was very unusual around our place. We had deer who showed up in our backyard. Antelope appeared on the plains near where we live. This happened in June. That's very, very unusual. Normally, we don't see these particular animals off the mountain until later in the fall. This antelope has a tracking device around its neck and an ear tag. Biologists are mapping the migration patterns of the antelope. These antelope are less than 100 feet away from my position, and they're not at all concerned. They do watch once in a while. This elk herd was filmed in June. Like the antelope, this herd was way down the mountain very, very early. These elk were patiently waiting and watching as we drove up. The drought was so bad this summer that the city of Flagstaff shipped over 2 million gallons of water to a reservoir to keep the elk from dying.
You can see they came this way. There's at least one, maybe more than one. I think there's actually two. But there's one that kind of fiddled around here, but then came here, walked up here.
This beautiful fellow was less than 6 feet from our bedroom door.